So I have this 2014 Camry Sport available for sale. As you can see, the car is black on red, black interior, red exterior. See the dashboard, very neat. Comes with an Android screen. It's a very low mileage. There's the roof, very neat. This car was just used by one person for about a year plus. As you can see, fully pimped. Comes with aftermarket alloy rims. All the lights are still very sharp. The body is still first body, apart from the bumpers which has been sprayed. Every other part of the car is first body. See the interior from the other side. The AC is working, currently working. Very, very cold AC. Very cold. And this is the back view of the car. So if you're interested in this car, my phone number is on the screen. Call me, let's do business. Wherever you are, we can do home delivery for you. So you can call me for more details, price, and location. Thank you.